You drive over a small bump or pull into your driveway and you hear it, a dull, annoying clunk coming from the front suspension. It drives you crazy. You assume it's the struts or shock absorbers because, logically, those are the parts that handle bumps. So you spend $400 on new struts, spend all day installing them, and go for a test drive. You hit the first bump, clunk. The noise is still there. This happens because you fell for the visual trap. Struts are big, obvious, and expensive, so we assume they are the problem. But the real culprit is often a small $20 part called a sway bar end link. It connects your suspension to the sway bar, which keeps the car flat in corners. These links have tiny ball joints on each end that wear out over time. The reason they are so hard to diagnose is tension. When you jack up your car to inspect the suspension, the wheels hang down. This puts massive tension on the sway bar, pulling the links tight. If you grab the link and shake it, it feels solid because it's under load. You think it's fine. But the moment you put the car back on the ground, that tension releases, and the tiny gap in the worn joint opens up again, ready to clunk. To find this ghost noise, you have to test it differently. Leave the car on the ground. Have a friend rock the car side to side aggressively while you reach underneath and feel the link. If you feel a pop or click in your hand with every rock, that link is toast. Replacing them is incredibly easy. It's usually just two nuts, one on the strut, one on the sway bar. You can do it in your driveway with basic hand tools, and the best part? A pair of high-quality links costs about $40. So, before you fire the parts cannon at your struts, control arms, or ball joints, check the end links first. They are the most common source of front-end noise, and they are the cheapest and easiest part to fix. Save your money and stop the clunk for good.